Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a portable phone charger. These are great for when you are going on trips. If you're going to be spending all day at the beach, maybe by the pool, maybe at an amusement park, and you're just not around a place where you can plug in your phone or your tablet and charge it up. They're really great also in airports. So this was sent over by a company called Zopin. Here's the box that it comes in. It's going to come in multiple colors, but I have the white one here. Obviously, you're going to get a little instruction sheet that tells you about it. We're going to go over all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get this USB to USB Type-C charging cable. That is how you're going to power up the device if you wish, but you can also use the built-in cable. So as you can see, here it is. It's nice and compact. It's about the size of a standard cell phone, but obviously it's a little thicker. So it is 6 inches long. It's about 3 inches wide, and it's about 1¼ inches thick. Now, one of the reasons I like this thing is, first off, is it is 20,000 mAh battery. So what does that mean? That means it's going to be able to charge up your cell phone multiple times depending on your model. You're going to easily be able to get a full charge on your phone out of this, maybe even 2. Now it has built-in cables. So you'll see on either side they have these little gray tabs. It has a built-in USB Type-C cable, and then on the other side it has a built-in lightning cable. So this will work for pretty much all the phones out there, whether you have an iPhone or whether you have an an Android phone. You're going to be covered with the built-in cables. However, it also does have on the endpoint a USB-A slot and a USB Type-C slot that you can also utilize. So this thing will charge 4 devices at the same time. Now, you don't obviously have to do 4 devices. It will charge just a single device if you want to. And on the little top button, you're going to also see a little kind of pink button. You press that and you hold it down, and that's going to show you up on the screen here how much battery life is left, which that's another nice feature I like about it. Instead of just having little dots, it tells you like 25%, 50%. This actually shows you a percentage of battery life left, so you have an exact idea of how much more power you can utilize out of this thing. Now, it does do fast charging. So that Type-C connection, for example, is a 20-watt fast charging connection, whether you are utilizing the port or whether you're utilizing the built-in one. I just pretty much utilize the built-in one. If you do want to charge it, the Type-C here is a 2-way, so you're just going to simply plug this into a wall outlet with an adapter, or if you have a USB outlet or even a PC, whatnot, if you wish to charge it, you can do that. Obviously, it also has all the built-in protections of the overheating, the trickle, all that stuff, so that way you don't damage any of your devices. But overall, it's a nice little portable charger. It's very compact, very easy to bring with you, and I love the fact that it has in the built-in cables, which means you just have less stuff to pack. So overall, if you are in the market and you're looking for a great little portable charger for your phone or your tablet or your PC, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.